men need to lead. And to
Absolutely.
lead, you need to find your purpose, what
Yes.
God intended for you.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of times we forget after a few years of being married, you know, why did we get married? What's the point of this?
Yeah.
We really end up struggling with so much of our masculinity. Is masculinity the right word? Because what the world teaches. But we need to get back in the Word, find identity and purpose at the right place, not at the bar,
Yeah.
not at the friends, not at the place of work, in
Yeah.
the Word, and then cast the vision and keep at it.
Yes.
Because to conquer, you need to keep at it. And Rome
Absolutely.
wasn't built in a day.
No, absolute consistency is key.
Consistency is key.
But you cannot compromise.
Without purpose, you have no peace because you lack direction. You don't know where you are going. If you don't know where you are going, you don't know what direction to move.